Parents Confess, things we wish we knew before our kids went off to college.
Hey students, make sure your parents watch this.
Your relationship with your son or daughter is going to change from directional to much more consultative.
And you'll still need to tell them to fill out their meal card.
Your son or daughter are going to find their way. For us, that certainly happened with our son. And while they may not have as much time for you as when you visit with them, it's exactly what you're going to want.
Make sure to remind your daughter or son to know that there's so much to do at the collegiate level and to make sure that they take them in smaller, more digestible quantities.
Don't worry, your student has all the skill sets ready to succeed here at college.
Like laundry?
I hope so.
Remember, when you drop your kids off at college, they're going to come back much different. When we dropped our kids off at Bucknell, they came back changed in a good way. They were much more confident.
Don't be hurt when you don't hear everything that's going on from your student that's at school. But I'll tell you what, the kids that are still at home, they can tell you exactly what's going on.
Absolutely.
Take a breath. It is indeed a time to celebrate. It has been a long journey, and in a place like Bucknell that is so highly competitive, we should all be celebrating your child's accomplishments. We hope this video offers you some comfort as your child goes off to college.